So you need start you need. So this is the Pexel camera 36 MPS 2 lens for adjustment and 80 MPS, 24 megapixels and 30s. So clear naman siya. Pwede na siya sa mga content creator, vlogging, photographies, but it's not action camera. Ultimate GR uploaded no card.